Hey, this is Alex with Blind Car Garage. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. This is a review of a 2003 3500 HD Chevrolet. This is the LS package. It's got the nice leather seats in it. But something more interesting about this vehicle is it's got the Duramax style Allison 1000 automatic transmission. It's 6-speed. And up here we have the big block 8.1 vortec. It's a great engine. It's powerful. I'm going to pop the hood real quick. This is a big block 496. Basically, it is not a stroker. It is all original. It's got a good cooling system on it. One thing I'd say is I would definitely convert from this mechanical engine fan to an electric fan, but it does also have that in the front here. But this is a great truck. It's got posi track and 411 gears. I did some research on it because I like knowing what I have. When you know what you have, you know what you can put it to. This right here probably pull a house. But 455 foot-pounds of torque with 345 horsepower. I mean, that's an insane amount of power and torque. And, you know, as they say, horsepower sells a car and torque wins races. This is no race truck, obviously, but great for towing. And I have a 40-foot Travel Supreme fifth wheel. That's, you know, it's a triple slide. It's really heavy. This would be perfect for that. Now, people are going to say, yeah, it's not as good on fuel. This thing gets about 12 miles to a gallon highway unloaded and probably around 5 to 6 pulling, which is not too bad. Remember, when you're pulling a heavy load, you got to remember, you know, you use a hammer for a nail and you use a screwdriver for a screw. And the reason is this is made to haul, you know, 11, 12,000 pounds versus a 1,500. Yes, it may get better fuel economy. And yes, the diesels do get better fuel economy on the highway, unloaded. But when you load them, you're not going to get above 10 in anything usually. But these are a great intermediary, if you will, between standard gasoline engines and big block. But let me know what you guys think in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe. And let me know what you guys think I should do with it, or if you want to see any vehicles in particular. Here in the near future, I'm going to be going to a couple car shows in my area, and I'd love to invite, you know, some of the fans and stuff. I just got to figure out what's going on. But let me know what you guys want to see. God bless and have fun.